Hey, what's up everybody? Casey Neistat here, and today we're diving into the world of Threefold. It's a revolutionary project aiming to change the internet as we know it. We're talking about a future where the internet is truly for everyone, not just a select few. Threefold is building a decentralized internet powered by people like you and me. It's all about putting the power back in the hands of the users, creating a more open, secure, and equitable online experience. So buckle up, because we're about to explore the exciting world of Threefold and its mission to revolutionize the internet. Threefold is tackling the challenges of our current internet head-on. We're talking about issues like data privacy, censorship, and the ever-growing power of tech giants. Threefold's solution: decentralization. By distributing data and processing power across a global network of computers, Threefold aims to create a more resilient and democratic internet. This means less reliance on centralized servers, which are vulnerable to attacks and outages. It's about creating a system that's more resistant to censorship, where information can flow freely. Threefold is building the foundation for a truly open and accessible internet for all. Section 2: Decentralization, the power of many. Decentralization is at the heart of Threefold's mission. Imagine a world where the internet isn't controlled by a handful of corporations, but is instead powered by a global community of users. That's the vision Threefold is bringing to life. With Threefold, your data isn't stored in some massive data center controlled by a tech giant. Instead, it's distributed across a network of independent nodes, making it much harder for anyone to access or control your information. This distributed approach also makes the network incredibly resilient. If one node goes down, the network keeps running smoothly because other nodes pick up the slack. This decentralized structure has huge implications for security and privacy. With your data spread across multiple nodes, it becomes much harder for hackers to target and steal your information. Plus, Threefold uses advanced encryption techniques to further protect your data, ensuring that only authorized users can access it. This focus on security and privacy is a breath of fresh air. In a world where data breaches and privacy violations have become all too common, Threefold is building a future where you have control over your data, not corporations. Section 3: Peer-to-peer innovation, internet and cloud reimagined. Threefold is taking decentralization a step further with its peer-to-peer internet and cloud stack. This means you can connect directly to other users on the network, bypassing the need for centralized internet service providers. Imagine a world where you're not at the mercy of your ISP for internet access. That's the power of Threefold's decentralized internet. And it's not just about browsing the web. Threefold's decentralized cloud stack allows you to host websites, applications, and data, all without relying on traditional cloud providers. This peer-to-peer approach has major implications for businesses and developers. Imagine hosting your website or application on a network that's faster, more secure, and more affordable than traditional cloud providers. That's the promise of Threefold. And because the network is powered by a global community, you're not limited by the geographical constraints of centralized data centers. Threefold is creating a truly global and accessible internet, where anyone can participate and benefit from the power of decentralization. Section 4: Security and sustainability, the future of technology. Security is paramount in today's digital age, and Threefold takes it seriously. They're implementing cutting-edge quantum-resistant cryptography to safeguard the network against future threats. This means that even as quantum computers become more powerful, Threefold remains secure. But it's not just about protecting against future threats. Threefold is also designed to be energy efficient. The network utilizes unused computing power from devices around the world, minimizing its environmental impact. This focus on sustainability is a core part of Threefold's mission. They believe that technology should be used to create a better future for everyone, and that includes protecting our planet. By utilizing existing resources and minimizing energy consumption, Threefold is setting a new standard for sustainable technology. And with its decentralized structure and focus on user privacy, Threefold is paving the way for a more equitable and accessible digital future.